Over 100,000 community health promoters across the country can now have a sigh of relief following the launch of their stipend payment that will cost the national government 3 billion shillings. Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, who officially launched the commencement of the payment plan, asked county governments to hold their end of the bargain by remitting the other 50% of the 5,000 shillings the CHPs are expected to receive every month. Gloria Milimo with our report.
The long-awaited payment for the services they initially rendered on a volunteer basis finally commenced today, with the community health promoters receiving part of the 5,000 shillings they were promised by both tiers of the government as their monthly stipend.
Nimebahatika kupata pesa wa kwanza ya serikali kuu. Kwa hivyo nimefurahia.
Imenipatia moral na motisha ya kuingia kwa kijiji kuchapa kazi zaidi.
At least sahi ukikuwa na hiyo stipend kidogo, you will feel like okay, I can do this, I can work for them, and at least niko na kitu ndalipa end month, niko na kitu ndalipia mtoi, at least niko na kitu naweza fanya shopping.
Kwa saa hizi tuko na kitu ya kutusukumilia, inatupea mwito zaidi ya kufanya hii kazi ya community.
Speaking during the launch at his residence in Nairobi, Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua lauded the payment plan, saying it was key in the realization of the government's health agenda that places emphasis on preventive health.
Our government, by providing for this stipend, makes that recognition. We really appreciate you, and we know how critical you are in the success of the primary health care program.
Empowering the over 100,000 community health promoters through the monthly stipend, he said, was also critical in enhancing healthcare access at the grassroots level.
Studies have shown that for every 1 Kenya shilling invested in community health, we would realize the equivalent of 9.4 million Kenya shilling, 9.4 Kenya shillings in economic and societal benefits. We want to stop Kenyans from sinking into poverty because quality health care is unaffordable to low-income households in a country where only about 1 in 4 people have a health insurance cover.
So we recognize at the Ministry of Health that the only way we can achieve universal health coverage is to have a firm foundation in community health services.
He also called on county governments to expedite the payment of the remaining amount in a bid to ensure smooth implementation of the health agenda that puts community health promoters at the center of primary health care.
I want to send a passionate plea to our governors to very quickly also organize their part of the stipend, so that with the 2,500 from the national government and their 2,500, the promoter has some 5,000 to take care of his family and do a few things.
This stipend, if we subject it to the usual cost of a transaction, we will affect what will get to these people.
Sasa,
I'm on my knees. Safaricom and KCB. Simu wave tu hiyo yenye huwa mnalipisha.
The community health promoters were commissioned last year during Mashujaa Day celebrations by President William Ruto as part of his government's approach to the delivery of universal health coverage. Gloria Milimu, KTN News.